Hey everyone, Angela here. Today I want to tell you about this roller bottle that I made. I have a ton of these on hand, and you should too, because they are fantastic ways to actually use your oils, because having them sit in the bottle on your countertop does absolutely nothing. I found that throwing things in a bottle, getting a blend together, really makes it accessible for myself and for the kids, and then the boys, they're color coded, and the boys know exactly what bottle to get when they're having whatever issue. So this one is a teething blend. You can see that here. It's not gonna zoom in. There you go. This is a teething blend that I've made for Kellen. He's coming over here. He's mad. Hi, babe. I know, Steve is eating your dinner. But this is Kellen's favorite right now. He's almost done teething. It has lavender and Roman chamomile in it, so it helps with pain. He's eating pizza with all those big teeth that he's brought in. It helps with pain, inflammation, and then also the calming, properties, I guess to say, help him relax and go to sleep at night. So this particular bottle is really, really pre-diluted. I probably only have maybe 3 drops of oil in this entire bottle, because this boy loves his oils. He likes it when I put it on. He wants, I put it on the jawline first of all, and then he wants it up around his head, he wants it down his neck, he wants it on his belly. He wants it everywhere. So every once in a while I add a drop of oil and then I put in fractionated coconut oil up to the top, because this really just gets all over his entire body. He loves it, don't you? Yes. Okay, so that's it. This is my favorite blend for Kellen's favorite blend for teething. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe so that you can watch more videos when they become available. Of course, comment below if you have questions. Thanks for tuning in. Can you say goodbye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.